Hey everybody, Brandon Railway 6920 here. I'm going to do a quick review. I just got this literally 5 minutes ago, less than 5 minutes ago. So I'll do a quick unboxing and then do a quick review for you guys. Nice little sleeve there. Then it's got the back of the box. Gives you a little bit of information about it, what the details include. Does say it has illuminated number boards, but I'm not going to hold my breath because my Norfolk Southern was supposed to have illuminated number boards and it does not. But this is an operator series. Comes with a nice little manual. If I do remember correctly, this one has the exploded parts diagram. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the parts diagram there. This one has your basic instructions. And with the Tier 4 Gevos, they have little bit more information there. A little bit of information on how you can change the horn. There are 4 different horns, a couple different bells that are with the Tier 4. So when you guys order these, that also comes in the box. And then you have this nice little sleeve that fits over. Packaging is still kind of cold, so it's still kind of tight and hard to manipulate, especially when you're only using one hand because you're trying to hold on to the phone. Like I said, this is an operator series model, so it is not top of the line by any means. There we go. So then you got some of their models, the foam is actually glued or taped in. This one it's not, but that's no big deal. Pull this little flap here. And it's got soft plastic on the inside, as you can see, to protect the paint. One thing I can tell right off the bat with this, that should be the same color as the top. The nose paint should be the same battleship gray as the top. So, and same with the walkways. That should be either black or a dark battleship gray. But for a budget model, I'm not going to complain. Set my phone down for a second. It's got little bit of that soft plastic to protect the gas tank, fuel tank, whatever you want to call it. It also comes with these on the bottom of the trucks. Oh, that one's stuck in there. But those come with it to keep the trucks from moving while it is being shipped. And then it's got the foam inside the handrails to protect them. Go ahead and slide that out. Some of them even have foam in front of the stanch irons on the front and back. So here's a look at it without the foam and stuff. I will be painting the grills to mimic a weathered type of look. Does look like the number boards are printed on there, but they could very well light up. Regular GE nose light, operating ditch lights, they will not flash until I program them to flash, which won't take very long, hopefully. Like I said, the grills will get painted. Try to zoom in here. I noticed if you take a magnifying glass to that red sill stripe, some of them you can see a paint bleed. But I'm not seeing much of a issue with paint on this one. It looks really nice to me. Regular light there, no ditch lights on the back, but that's because this is an operator series model. The rivet counters have ditch lights on the back that operate. And here's a look at the reverse side. This is factory set at number 3. I will be changing the number to 26 because I only use 2 digits, and I use the first 2 digits of the locomotive number because it's just easier that way. Go ahead and set my phone down and we'll get her set on the track and show you what you get right out of the box. Oh, and I'll drop my phone on the floor. There we go. So I've got track power on. There's basic startup sequence. I don't know how well you guys can hear it, but it is starting up. There's the bell, controlled by F1. F2 controls the horn, and the ditch lights do flash. So I will get to that here in a second. F3 is your coupler clank. F4 is your dynamic brakes, but that's only when it's moving. 5 is not used. 6 controls the ditch lights. 7 is a manual compressor. 8 is the startup, and 9 is the manual notching effect, or as they call it, a drive hold. So I'll move my camera to the front here. The number boards do not light up, but hey, budget model. F0 controls the headlight, on and off. 6 controls ditch lights. I will be slowing these down, but they do flash. I will probably be slowing them down and making the hold time greater because it should flash for about 5 seconds after you let off the horn. Move my camera to the back here. And the light comes on when you turn it in reverse, and obviously you can turn that on and shut that off however you want. So, quick little review of it. I will do a bigger review later of more detail and everything once I get it programmed. And, once I get the new number programmed. And I do a little bit of weathering to it and open up the rest of the apartment to be able to run it. So, excuse me. Anyhow, that's the Scale Trains Tier 4 Gevo in Union Pacific livery. And once I get the new number, I will do a video of it running. But for now, this is Brandon Railway 6920 signing off.